Let's see how we can use the Mixtable bulk editor spreadsheet for Shopify to bulk edit our product prices. We're going to start with a worksheet that shows our product and variant information together. We need this as Shopify stores pricing information on the product variant, not on the product itself. Here we have such a worksheet that shows some basic product information, such as our product titles, our vendors, the different options for the variants, the SKUs, and our inventory. First, we need to display our existing prices, which means we need to load our pricing information in an empty column. Instead of being at the end, we'd like our pricing information to be to the left of our inventory. So first, we'll insert two new columns. Once the columns have been inserted, we click on the link button, select Variant field, and from the drop-down we find Price. This is the display price for our products that our customers see when visiting our online store. In the second column, we'll display the Compare At price. We follow the same steps as before and select the Compare At data for our column. Mixtable is now loading our existing price and Compare At price values into our spreadsheet. And once this data has loaded, we can begin to edit it. Now that the data is ready, we can start making changes. For example, if we want to change the price of our premium apple, we can just type in the new value, just like we can do in Excel. We can also copy this value and paste it to other cells as needed. As we do this work, you can see that these cells get a yellow background. This signifies that these cells have changed, but their information has not yet synced to Shopify. Mixtable works very similar to Excel, and we can also use formulas to set cell values. So let's say we want to set our Compare At price to be higher than our price using a formula. To do this, we first select the cell and we set our multiplication formula just like in Excel. We can then click and drag this to all the other cells in our column. Before we start our sync to Shopify, let us also take a look at a Mixtable tool that makes setting prices in bulk even faster. You go to Bulk Tools in the toolbar and open the Bulk Number Changer. Once it opens, select the Price column You can now select the type of operation you want. Let's say we want to increase all of our prices by a certain percentage. We select this operation, and Mixtable immediately shows you the existing value in the price column cells. Let's say we want to increase all our prices by 25%. We enter 25 as the value, and Mixtable shows us what the cells will look like after we update the spreadsheet with our 25% increase. We are happy with this, so we click Update Spreadsheet. We can now see that our price cells have been updated to reflect the increase we just set. We are now ready to sync our information to Shopify. We click the Sync Worksheet Changes to Shopify button, and Mixtable will start the sync to Shopify. As pricing information is updated, you will see that the cell's background will change from yellow to white, signifying that Mixtable has successfully saved this information to Shopify. And that is how easy it is to bulk change your prices and compare at prices in Shopify with the Mixtable Bulk Editor spreadsheet.